What's up, everybody? Stephen Williams, founder and president of CreditRepairShop.com, in my office, and I got some good news. But let me walk around. Oh, here, just in case some of you didn't see, that's a picture of me, like 50 something, 60 pounds lighter in the military. That's me right there, Fort Benning, Georgia. That's my hypnotist certification. Um, in the office because I got some great news. Great news from. Remember I'm gonna post the link to that video below here. But there was a client. Remember we were talking about the insurance problem where he had gave the car back, and let me get in a better spot with this light here. He gave the car back, and they ended up trying to sue him for the car. There we go, right there. They wanted this. The check engine light came on at the dealer. He did not drive the car off the lot. He just said, "No, this ain't gonna work. Take it back." Insurance company tried to sue him for $1,800. Got a debt collector, put it on his credit, everything. He was already a client of ours. He told me about it. I said, let's just, we tried being nice with them, and they just was like, this, he owes the money. Long story short, and let me get back over here. Think I can show this. I can't divulge a person's name, but let me see what I got here. Well, maybe I could show this part. I'll fold this up. They tried to play this off. If you know from back in the old days, here this says policy canceled, but they tried to play it off like uh, this happened a while back, but they tried to play it off and say the policy was just recently canceled. This was after we submitted the complaint to their insurance commission. We did that complaint. Within a week, they came back. They said that he doesn't owe, but they tried to play it off and say the policy was canceled. They know the policy was canceled. And the debt collector now is finding out in a bad way that the policy was canceled way before they're even stating it on this sheet of paper here. But long story short, $1,800 gone in debt. Policy was canceled. They're getting it off of his credit reports. These are some of the things that we do when we have to step it up and make these companies abide by the law. And this is one way to do it without having to have extra legal expenses and hiring an attorney to have to go out there and do this work for you. This is some stuff that if you exert your power, you can do these things yourself, and that's what I'm teaching on these videos. So if you need help with something like this, post it in the comments. I'll tell you exactly what we did. I'm going to put the link to the video talking about exactly what we did, and talking about the situation, and then now you see the end result of what happened. I think that this was maybe 3 weeks ago, if not even shorter. So if you need help, visit us at thecreditrepairshop.com. Post your comments below here. Share it. Please become a subscriber to my channel. If you need your credit reports and scores, that's where everything starts. With him, we already had access to his credit reports through the monitoring service that we referred him to, and we were able to see already, just looking at it, that there was problems with this collection that was on his reports. There's a link below this video, the number 3 scores.com, the number 3 scores.com. Get those reports and review them, and it's well worth it. All right, thanks a lot. This is Stephen Williams with thecreditrepairshop.com.